Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm gonna share with you how you can download and install Bitmart Bitcoin app in your device. So you can download two ways. You can use Google Play Store and App Store, or you can also go to any browser like Google Chrome or any browser. Then you can search the Bitmart app, then you'll get there. So simply I'm using Android phone, that's why I'm going to open Google Play Store. So once I click Google Play Store, then you have to search here like Bitmart. So this is earning app. You can also earn here Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. So once you click here Bitmart, buy Bitcoin and crypto, so simply click install, and it takes few moments to install in your device, and I will share with you the review in this app and more tutorial in upcoming. So please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching the video.